Let me show you how you can get the popular Korean glass skin. And hey, this is not a video you want to skip. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Softlive.com and welcome. Today, we're going to be making a Korean DIY skincare product called rice water. Rice water is an ancient Korean beauty secret. It has remarkable benefits which make it a popular choice among Asian women. This simple yet effective DIY recipe is packed with nutrients that can help you achieve a glowing complexion. Rice water is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are essential for skin health. It also contains antioxidants and compounds like ferulic acid and alatanine. Rice water can act as an anti-aging elixir, hydrates the skin and leaves the skin supple and glowy, lightens scars and brightens the skin. It also converts sunburn and irritation. Rice water also diminishes the oily appearance of skin. It also cleanses your skin from impurities and excess oil. This budget-friendly skincare supplement gives your skin radiant, dewy, and supple complexion, also known as the coveted glass skin, leaving you with a youthful glow from within. So guys, let's get into the video.